Bluetooth not working in Windows 11. Let's get it fixed, fast. First things first, let's make sure your Bluetooth adapter is even showing up in Device Manager. To get there, type Device Manager into the Windows search bar and select the app from the results. Now, scan the list. Don't see a Bluetooth section. That's the exact problem we're tackling. If it is present, try expanding it and seeing if the adapter shows an error icon, like a yellow exclamation mark. Let's refresh everything. Click the Action tab at the top of Device Manager, then press Scan for hardware changes. Windows will now rescan for any missing drivers or newly connected hardware. Did the Bluetooth suddenly reappear? If so, great, you might be done. If refreshing didn't work, it's time to check Windows Services. Head to the Windows search bar and type Services. Open the Services app. Scroll down the list to find the Bluetooth Support Service, the Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service, and the Bluetooth Hands-Free Service. Verify they're running. Double-click on each of them. If their status is stopped, change the startup type to automatic and click Start. Then click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Repeat this for all relevant Bluetooth services. If that didn't solve it, outdated or corrupted drivers may be the culprit. In Device Manager, go to the Bluetooth section, right-click on your Bluetooth adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check online for a newer version. Finally, if still no joy, try a few basic hardware checks. Restart your computer. Make sure your Bluetooth adapter is correctly connected internally if that's how your computer has it. Also, ensure your Bluetooth radio is switched on. This is usually indicated with a light on your laptop or by checking the quick settings within the Action Center. Hopefully, one of these steps got Bluetooth up and running again. If so, give the video a like and subscribe for more tech-solving tips. Thanks.